Do you like public holidays?
Absolutely, I love it.
Okay, absolutely. Since public holidays are a great opportunity for people to unwind after a long studying and working time, I'm really in love with it. Which public holiday do you like the most?
My favorite is Tết holiday.
Okay, I think that Tết holiday is the most important and also my favorite holiday in my country. During this period, I typically have about all day, like 10 days off. I usually travel with my parents to some far-off destinations and visit my relatives. Do you think public holidays are important?
I think yes.
Okay, my answer is a big yes. From my point of view, holidays are like a way to escape from all the somehow overwhelming hustle and bustle of the real world. Moreover, there are occasions and opportunities for people to make up for the ones that they are really important, family and friends.